What is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is a system that helps you attract consumers, turn them into leads or prospects, and finally convert them into paying customers. Sales funnels are often called marketing funnels, lead funnels, purchase funnels, conversion funnels, and other similar terms. And why is it called a funnel? Because when you think about the size of your audience at each stage, it kind of looks like one. Let's imagine you're selling a copywriting course online. First stage. At first, your audience is big. Using Facebook ads and other promotional tactics, you're trying to reach as many potential students as possible. This is the top of your funnel, which is its widest part. Second stage. You've managed to show your ads to a lot of people, but only some of them decided to click through the ad and visit your landing page. The size of your audience has shrunk, just like the funnel itself would do. Third stage. On your landing page, you've given away a free resource, example, an ebook on 10 copywriting tactics for social media specialists. Some of your website visitors got interested and decided to download the ebook and provide you with their email address. Again, some of the people dropped off, and your funnel became a bit thinner at this stage. Fourth stage. In this stage, you've sent a series of emails to everyone who downloaded your ebook. The last email invited them to join the paid version of your course. Fifth and final stage. At this stage, some of your recipients dropped out, and some ended up signing up for the course. And that usually marks the end of the funnel. Now, if you are ready to create your first marketing or sales funnel, I have good news for you. Use a GetResponse funnel builder. It's free forever, no credit card required. I have provided a GetResponse free forever plan link in the description box. Just sign up for free and start making some real results.